Welcome to Form Accounting session 48. The previous session was regarding problems on trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. This session is regarding crop account, livestock account and profit and loss account with balance sheet. Let us see the problem. From the following trial balance and additional information, prepare crop account, livestock account and final accounts of Suresh farmhouse for the year ending 31st March 2020. Opening stock, this has to be debited to the crop account and livestock account. Capital in the liability side of the balance sheet. Land and building, it is an asset. Farm equipment is an asset. Debtor is an asset. Creditor is a liability. Bank balance, it is an asset. Cash in hand, it is an asset. Outstanding general expenses, this is a liability. Purchases has to be debited to the crop and livestock account. Expenses, crop expenses has to be debited to the crop account. Livestock expenses has to be debited to the livestock account. General expenses has to be debited to the profit and loss account. Sales, this has to be credited to the crop and livestock account. Repairs and maintenance, this has to be debited to the profit and loss account. Additional information. Closing stock as on 31st March 2020, in that we have livestock, paddy, cattle feed, fertilizer, seeds. This has to be credited to the crop and livestock account, as well as it has to be recorded as closing stock in the balance sheet asset side. Depreciate land and building at 5% per annum. Depreciation on land and building has to be debited to the profit and loss account, and the depreciation amount has to be deducted in land and building in the balance sheet. Depreciation on farm equipment has to be debited to the profit and loss account, and this amount has to be depreciation amount has to be deducted in the farm equipment. The owner withdrew milk and paddy for personal use. This is treated as drawings, and this has to be credited to the crop and livestock account, and the drawings has to be deducted in the capital in the balance sheet. Now let us see the crop and livestock account for the year ended. On the debit side we have opening stock, purchases, expenses. In the credit side we have sales, drawing, closing stock. The difference what we get in the crop and livestock account, it is gross profit carried down. Gross profit is brought down in the profit and loss account from the crop account and the livestock account. In the debit side we have general expenses, repairs and maintenance, depreciation on land and building, depreciation on farm equipment. The difference what we get, it is net profit. Balance sheet. In the balance sheet, in the liability side we have capital. Net profit is added to the capital. Drawings is deducted in the capital. Creditors and outstanding general expenses is recorded. In the asset side we have land and building, less depreciation, farm equipment, less depreciation, bank balance, cash in hand, debtors, closing stocks has been recorded under the asset side of the balance sheet. The problem is tallied. Now let us look at the next problem. From the following trial balance extracted from the books of Ravi Farm, draw up the final account for the year ended 31st March 2020 and balance sheet as on that date. Opening stock has to be debited to the crop and livestock account. Purchases has to be debited to the crop and livestock account. Sundry debtor, it is an asset. Repairs of equipment, this has to be debited to the profit and loss account. Farm equipment, it is an asset. Crop expenses has to be debited to the crop account. Livestock expenses has to be debited to the livestock account. General expenses has to be debited to the profit and loss account. Cash in hand, it is an asset. Cash at bank, it is an asset. Land and building, it is an asset. Sales has to be credited to the crop and livestock account. Sundry creditor, it is a liability. Outstanding expenses, it is a liability. Capital, it has to be recorded under the liability side of the balance sheet. Bills payable, it is a liability. Adjustments. Closing stock as on 31st March 2020, livestock, cattle feed, fertilizer, seeds, this has to be credited to the crop and livestock account. and it is recorded as closing stock in the asset side of the balance sheet. The consumption of farm output by the proprietor, milk and wheat, this is treated as drawings, and drawings has to be credited to the crop and livestock account, and again this has to be deducted in capital. Provide 10% depreciation on farm equipment. Depreciation on farm, it has to be debited to the profit and loss account, and depreciation amount has to be deducted in farm equipment in asset side of the balance sheet. And 5% on land and building depreciation. So depreciation on land and building has to be debited to the profit and loss account, and the depreciation amount has to be deducted in the land and building amount in the balance sheet. Let us look at the crop and livestock account. The debit side we have opening stock, purchases, expenses. On the credit side we have sales, drawings, closing stock. The difference what we get is this is gross profit carried down. The profit and loss account, gross profit is brought down from the crop account and livestock account. And on the debit side we have repairs and maintenance, general expenses, depreciation on farm equipment, depreciation on land and building. The difference what we get is net profit. The balance sheet we have capital, net profit is added to the capital, drawings are deducted, creditors and outstanding expenses, bills payables are recorded. In the asset side we have farm equipment less depreciation, land and building less depreciation, sundry debtors, cash in hand, cash at bank, closing stock has been recorded. The balance sheet is tallied. Thank you.